If the washer in your washer-dryer combo is leaking water, here are the 5 most probable causes. If the washer's drain pump is cracked or damaged, or if the bearings are worn out, the pump could leak water. Since the pump itself is not repairable, if you discover damage, you should replace the pump with a new one. The outer tub seal might be torn, causing water to leak from the seal area. Since the leaking water has the potential to damage the tub bearing or bearings, we recommend installing both a new tub seal and tub bearings at the same time. If the washer is a front load and the leak appears to be coming from the door area, the most likely cause is a torn door boot seal or some other damage preventing the door from sealing properly. You can replace the boot seal with a new one to resolve the issue. The tub-to-pump hose may have split or torn as well. To prevent future ruptures, you should replace the entire hose instead of attempting to remove just the damaged section. While a damaged drain hose is more likely to leak from the connection between the drain pump and the rear panel, the hose can also be damaged if the appliance is pushed too close against a wall. Thoroughly inspect the entire length of the hose and replace it with a new one if necessary. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.